Greetings, everyone. This is Pastor Akeem Brett, and with me I have my wife Aisha. And we just finished up our service here at Save the Serve Orlando, and it was a rich blessing. By God's grace, we experienced revival and reformation. And now we have important information to share with you, a very special announcement that you cannot afford to miss. So, what's the announcement?
Well, if you are a teenager or a young adult, this announcement is for you, so be sure to listen up. Here at Save to Serve Orlando, we're rolling out a new program entitled the Youth Lab.
What's the Youth Lab?
Well, LAB, L.A.B, is actually an acronym.
Okay.
So that stands for Learn, Apply, Become. And so the entire goal here is that this will be an event where the young people are able to learn spiritual things as well as practical things. And they'll be taught how to apply these things. And the ultimate goal is that they become the embodiment of these things that they will be learning as they grow up into the full measure of Christ.
All right. This sounds like the total package of children's and Christian education. We got the learn, mental, apply, that's the practical, right? And then we have the spiritual, become. All right. So tell me more about this Youth Lab.
Yes, so our very first Youth Lab event will be this coming Sunday, March 22nd at 2 p.m. If I was to describe what the Youth Lab is in just a few words, I would say that it is it's a youth social that also includes a skills class. So you will be able to socialize with other young people. We'll have a bunch of fun activities. We'll have good spiritual conversations, laughter. There's going to be delicious food. And also we'll be learning a skill. So for this first event that we're having, the skill that we're learning is a little bit of carpentry.
Nice.
So every attendee will learn with their own hands how to make a small little project.
That's amazing. Carpentry was a skill that even Jesus learned.
Yes.
That's wonderful. And this reminds me of what I read in Ministry of Healing the other day. I actually have it in front of me. Ministry of Healing, page 402, where Sister White is talking about the training that the young people should receive. And she says, every child and every youth should have a knowledge of himself. He should understand the physical habitation that God has given him and the laws by which he is to be kept in health. All should be thoroughly grounded in the common branches of education. They should have industrial training, that's hands-on, practical training, that will make them men and women of practical ability, fitted for the duties of everyday life. Ministry of Healing, page 402. So this social event that sounds like fun is also a very hands-on, practical, industrial training that's going to fulfill Ministry of Healing.
Yes.
Wonderful. We can't find that anywhere like much places right now.
Right.
Well, that's wonderful. So if I'm a young person, I'm a young adult, I'm a teenager, and I really want to join, what are the steps? What do I need to do?
Well, attendance is by RSVP only, just because we want to make sure that your spot is secured and that you have all the materials that you need. It's a free event. You just need to come. However, you do need to RSVP. And I believe that we're going to put the RSVP information in the flyer in this video, or it might be in the description box. Just RSVP to the number that's listed there and let us know your name and your age, and we're going to add you to the list. And I want to add that with every Youth Lab event that we have, we're going to be learning a new skill. So this time around, it's carpentry, but the next time we have the event, it's going to be another skill. So you're going to get a little bit of everything, and it may be a really good way too for the young people to kind of discover what they like, what they're interested in.
Did you say free?
Yes, free.
Wow, it's free. So listen, young people, young adults, if I were you, I would make sure I come to this Youth Lab. It's going to be a free event with practical training, a social event where you can talk and meet other young people, as well as a spiritual event. So friends, why don't you come? It's going to be this Sunday, like my wife said. And so we're inviting you to come where you can learn, apply, and become. So we'll see you Sunday. Don't miss it.